Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to allow collaborations on Instagram. First thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the plus button at the bottom center and choose Feed, Post or Reel. Then select the photos or videos you want to share. Then tap Next to continue. Now on the caption screen, tap Tag People, select Invite Collaborator and use the search bar to find the Instagram user you want to collaborate with. Just tap their profile to send them a collaboration invite. Now tap the blue check mark in the top right to confirm and add your caption, hashtags and final edits. Then tap Share to publish. The invited collaborator will receive a notification once they accept. The post will show on both accounts' profile and appear in followers' feed from the both of accounts. And that's it. You successfully allowed collaboration on Instagram. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.